In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to inset and move a face in Blender. We'll start by adding a simple cube so we all have the same starting point. With your scene open, press Shift+A to bring up the Add menu, go to Mesh and choose Cube. This gives us a clean object to practice on. Now, let's get into edit mode so we can work with the cube's geometry. Click the cube to make sure it's selected, then press Tab. You'll know you're in edit mode when you see the cube's edges and vertices highlighted. Next, switch to face select so we can work with entire faces instead of points or edges. Press the number 3 on the top row of your keyboard. You should see the face select mode active, which lets you choose whole sides of the cube. Go ahead and select any face by left clicking it. The selected face will highlight to show it's active. If you select the wrong one, just click a different face to switch. Now we'll create an inset, which is like drawing a smaller offset shape inside the face. Press I on your keyboard to activate the inset tool. Move your mouse to adjust how big or small that inset is. Watch the orange outline to judge the thickness. When it looks right to you, left click to confirm the inset. With the inset face still selected, let's reposition it. Press G to grab and move it freely. You'll see the face follow your mouse. This is great for a quick freeform adjustment. You can always reposition until you're happy before confirming. If you want precise control, you can limit the movement to a single axis. After pressing G, press X, Y, or Z to lock the motion along that axis. For example, G, then X moves the face only left or right on the X axis. This makes it easy to keep things aligned with the scene. You can also slide the inset face along the surface direction to keep it aligned with the mesh. To do that, press G, then press G again to double tap G. This constrains the movement along the face's own direction, which is useful for maintaining the shape while adjusting position. Once you're satisfied with where the face is, left click to apply the new position. That's it. You've added a cube, entered edit mode, selected a face, created a clean inset, and moved that inset exactly where you want it with optional axis and surface aligned control. Practice these keys a few times and they'll become second nature.